We opened up the camp for 40 students. We had the students broken into 4 different cohorts, 10 students per cohort, and they rotated around the campus for the 4 days. They attended automotive, plumbing and piping, electrical, and millwright. For a lot of the students that we had attend this time around, they were homeschooled, so they don't necessarily have the opportunity to have that practical hands-on learning. We're also seeing that a lot of schools just don't have the shop support right now and the availability to attend shop classes, especially for the younger students. So this was a great opportunity for us to open up our campus and have the students come in and get that real kind of hands-on practical learning. The students had so much fun. Of course, it's a new environment for them coming in for the first time to a university, and also new for our instructors, working with the younger students. They were aged 10 to 14, but they were fabulous, extremely well behaved, quite engaged in the learning activities, and for many of the activities that they did, they actually had something that they were able to take home. In the plumbing department, they built from scratch a sprinkler and were able to take it home and hook it up and sprinkle the back lawn.